Hello everyone, this is a short, very quick overview of our ordering system and how generally orders are being managed on AutoDS. From the dashboard you can go here to the orders button. This is clickable. This shows you the orders that were logged from eBay in the past 24 hours. If I click here, it will take me directly to the orders page. And on the orders page, you'll be able to get a more detailed view of each order that came in. You can see the eBay sell ID number, the source, the ID of the source site, a picture, sell ID item, source item ID, the sell price it was sold for, the purchase price, how much tax was charged. Please notice that tax here will only automatically be updated if the order was made automatically. If it wasn't made automatically, if you place the order yourself, then you will have to edit this field. The profit, buyer's name, how many units were sold, the sold date, a tag, all this can be customized here, all the columns, and the status of the order. Now, orders that are in a status of standby, meaning they are waiting to be placed, either manually by you or if you click here, it will be made automatically, and we call it semi-automation because it still requires you to maybe want to have a look at the order before it's automatically being placed on Amazon, and this is where you'll just be clicking here, and then our bot will be placing the order for you and will do the rest. The rest meaning it will send 3 messages to the customers, it will give the buyer feedback, and it will update the tracking number. Here you can see other statuses of orders. This is an order that failed because the item is an add-on item. We do have add-on option. It's now in beta, but you'll be able to add it in the orders processor. I will have a separate video explaining about how to set our order processor. This order is shipped, meaning it was updated either manually or automatically with the tracking number. If I'll go here, I can see there's a tracking number and a carrier. This is an item that failed, order that failed. This is an order that was completed. Completed means that X number of days have passed from the day the order came in until the last message to the customer was sent. This is something that you set in the order processor, and you can see it in the orders processor video. And another status that is not shown here is canceled. You'll be able to cancel the order yourself. Cancel the status of the order. This will not cancel the order on Amazon and will not cancel the order on eBay. In order to cancel Amazon or eBay orders or any other supplier order, you have to do it yourself. This only changes the status on AutoDS and changes your profit accordingly because it just zeroes the order. You can change an order to a status of standby. So if you have an order that is in order process and you decided that you want to make it alone, you can change it to standby. Check after 40 minutes on Amazon that the order was not placed, and then you can set it again or do it manually. And there's a status of ordered, an order that was ordered but still did not get a tracking number and is waiting for it. This is how our system presents the orders. You can bulk change the order status. I can choose several orders together, click bulk change, and I can change the status to ordered, shipped, completed, standby, or cancel. I can send them all together to the order processor, meaning let's say these 3 were on standby. I checked them, checked the prices, and I want to control when they are being placed. So I can now check here and click save changes, and our bot will go and order them automatically on Amazon for you. You can filter, and you can have reports for your accountant. You can choose, you don't have to choose a status, but you can choose by status, filter it, users, You can select all the users and then you can choose between. So if you want to have a report for for example, I want to have a report of April. So from the 1st of April till the end of April. I can also filter it by tag if I have any, and I filter it. And after I filter, if I would like, I will be able to export it to a CSV file. You can see here I have an export button. So after I've done that, I'll be able to check all the results, click export. Let's wait, I got 66 results. I check them all because I have 100 entries, so it definitely checks them all. And if I click export, there will be a file downloaded now here with all this data in the file. One more thing that we can do from this view is we can change the listing. So for example, let's say this order, let's say it was just ordered for me, and now I want to raise the price of the listing because my list has more exposure now that it got sold. So I can click this listing, check it, and then I can decide what I would like to change, like in the bulk change window that you know. And if you're not sure about how to bulk change, there's a separate video about it. And let's say I want to change the additional percentage by 10% for this specific listing. I write 10% and I save the changes and it will perform the change. This was just a quick overview. Let me just remind you all that in order for you to have automatic orders activated or have the free automation of 3 messages, feedback to the buyer, and the update of the tracking number to your manual orders, you'll have to go here to the orders processor and you'll have to set your order processor by adding a purchase account right here from Amazon and connecting your Gmail. A more thorough explanation will be available in a separate video called the Orders Processor. See you in the next tutorials.